Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about anti-epileptic drugs. What do you mean by anti-epileptics? It is a group of disorder of CNS characterized by a paroxysmal cerebral dysrhythmia and manifest as brief episode and loss of disturbance of consciousness or consciousness. It is a group of disorder of CNS characterized by sudden, paroxysmal means sudden, cerebral means in brain. There is a sudden brain disturbance of a normal nerve condition. When there is a sudden disturbance of the normal nerve condition of a brain, which leads to anti-epileptic. It manifests as a brief episode of loss and disturbance of consciousness or seizure. Seizure means attack like fits. The seizure are due to abnormal excessive electrical discharge of a group of neuron. When there is abnormal excessive electrical discharge, it results to seizure. There are two types of seizure, generalized as well as partial. In generalized, 40% of the case is full brain. In 40% of cases, the full brain is involved. Both hemispheres are involved. This generalized seizure include grand mal epilepsy, absence seizure, myoclonic seizure, and atonic seizure. This partial seizure accounts in 60% of epilepsies. Only particular area is involved. A particular part of a brain is involved, which is again divided into two types, which is simple partial seizure as well as complex partial seizure. Tonic phase produces clonic phase, which is violent jerking for 2 to 3 minutes. There is violent jerking for 2 to 3 minutes. And this causes biting of tongue, and this causes excessive salivation and urination, as well as from that there is recovery. This is grand mal epilepsy, where there is an ARA sound, which is a warning signal, epileptic high, loss of consciousness. Due to this, the patient may be fall down on the ground. This fall down, why they are falling down means due to tonic phase, where the muscles are contracted for 1 minute. This tonic phase gives clonic phase. When they fall down, they involve in jerking movement, and they bite the tongue, so there is excessive salivation and urination, which after sometimes they recover as soon as possible. Absence epilepsy. It is a minor type, more in children, which is 30 seconds, which lasts for 30 seconds, and loss of consciousness or non-responsive and freezing of child and stares in one direction. This happens mostly in small children. This is due to when the person stares in one direction or non-responsiveness, which leads to freezing of child. He doesn't respond to any question for 30 seconds and he is in any other imagination, which is known as absence epilepsy. If it is not treated in childhood, later it becomes to grand mal epilepsy. The myoclonic seizure. The myoclonic seizure is a shock-like or momentary contraction of muscles and limbs. It is a shock-like, or there are contraction of muscles and limbs in this myoclonic seizure. Atonic seizure lasts for half minute to 1 minute. Sudden loss of posture, unconsciousness, fall in ground. There is sudden loss of posture, so they felt unconscious and they fall in ground. All muscles are relaxed due to excessive inhibitory discharge. Due to more discharge of the electrical impulse in the brain, all the muscles are relaxed, so they fall down and they become unconscious and they fall down. Partial seizure. It is composed of two types, which is simple partial seizure as well as complex partial seizure. The simple partial seizure lasts for 30 to 60 seconds. The patient is conscious and the contraction of the particular muscle. This lasts for 30 to 60 seconds, and this happens in a particular area. There is a contraction of muscles in a particular area, and this results in sensory of disturbance like numbness of the limb. There is sensory disturbance like numbness of the limb. Complex partial seizure is psychomotor epilepsy, is otherwise known as, and temporal lobe of the brain is affected. Here, there is a particular lobe of the brain is affected in the partial seizure. Here, the temporal lobe of the brain is affected. It lasts for 1 to 2 minutes, and there is aura, which is impairment. There is aura sound, which is a warning signal, as we seen in the grand mal epilepsy, and the impairment of the consciousness. There's loss of consciousness, and then they are confused. So the violent behavior as amnesia. This is a psychomotor. This patient behaves like a psycho. Treatment of epilepsy is an etiology where there is an head injury, brain surgery, or brain tumor, or brain infection, or ischemia, and many precipitate epilepsies. These are the causes of this epilepsy. Diagnosis: EEG, CT scan, and MRI. Classification of anti-epileptic drugs, which is there are 9 classes. We can remember in the mnemonic ABCD. SHIP new, which is A for aliphatic carboxylic acid, barbiturate, which is again B, and another B is for benzodiazepam, and C is for cyclic GABA analog, as well as the D for deoxybarbiturate, succinamide, S is for S for SHIP, for H for hyratin, I for iminocyblin, and P for phenyltryazine, and N for newer drugs. In this way, the classification of anti-epileptic drugs can be remembered. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up sign, as well as comment below. If you have any doubt in this lecture or any other videos, please do comment it and subscribe it. Thank you.